Hey guys, Clem here, the CPO of BioProtocol. Today I would like to give you a quick introduction to what BioProtocol is, as well as our Biogenesis auction. The BioProtocol is designed to help new biotech DAOs to come into fruition. Those biotech DAOs are communities that are focusing on solving some of humans' greatest therapeutic areas that still need solving. Our bio auction that we have designed right now is bootstrapping our BioProtocol and allows anyone to participate with several DAO tokens as well as ETH to become part of the bio community. These funds will then be used for us to fund new BioDAOs as well as provide liquidity for existing ones to help the existing BioDAOs in funding the next frontier research projects. Now, let me show you how you can contribute to the Biogenesis auction. The Biogenesis has been designed in 2 rounds. The first round already has concluded and the second round now started, and I would like to give you a quick overview of round 2. If you're on our website here, you can learn more about what BioProtocol is about and the different BioDAOs that we have already funded. And if you want to start looking into our Biogenesis, you can click here on Biogenesis and you'll get forwarded to our auction 2 round. This already shows you the current DAOs and the current tokens that one can participate with. For example, here you can see the different DAOs that already are part of the network as well as ETH. And if you are owning some of those tokens, you're eligible to participate, but you can also get one of those tokens to participate in the auction. By clicking into one of those drawers, you can actually see the different terms that are relating this sub-auction. There's different amounts of bio allocated to each auction, depending on the weights, depending on how much of those tokens BioProtocol is aiming to raise. If you want to get a full overview of what the BioProtocol and the Biogenesis auction is about, you can click here on Biogenesis and you get a good overview of where the current Genesis event stands. At the Biogenesis event overview, you can see here how much bio we're actually distributing, how much value has been raised, and also how many bio holders already exist after auction 1. By scrolling a bit down, you get an overview of the existing rounds, round 1 and round 2. Round 1, for everyone who has contributed there already, they can claim their share of bio that will be paid out as part in bio and as part in VBio. Now, let's assume I, as an interested participant in the ecosystem, would like to swap a little bit of my DAO tokens or my ETH into bio and become part of the bio economy. Then I can just click here on swap for bio. I'll use here my 2 Vita that I have in my wallet. I can just enter it here. I accept the terms and conditions. If you're interested with a click, you can always learn more about what these are. And then by clicking on Approve Swap, my MetaMask will open to ask me to first, of course, accept that I want to spend the Vita token. Soon after, the second transaction will be launched. That will ask me to also actually swap the token in. Here we go, the transaction went through, and as you can see, the modal updated automatically now to ask me to swap. I click on swap, and we'll see the transaction go through here in a sec. Cool, the swap went through. You can learn more and also share with your network everything about the BioProtocol on our Twitter account. Once the Genesis event has ended, you will be able to claim your share of bio once the auctions have been concluded. So you can come back to this screen here and click on claim your bio, and you will be able to claim your share of the bioeconomy for the auctions that you have contributed to. I hope that gave you a good overview of everything that you can do within our Biogenesis auction. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up on our Telegram channel or within our Twitter account.